I love trying out new products and I love showing them to you so you can decide whether they're right for you. Today, I'm excited to show you this 3D puff heat transfer vinyl, but it also glows in the dark. It's available on Amazon. It was sent to me for free to review, but all opinions are entirely my own. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make. If you're unfamiliar with puff heat transfer vinyl, it is vinyl that you cut and weed like normal, but once you've pressed it, it gets thicker and so it gives more dimension to your projects. This particular package comes with 5 sheets. They are 12 by 10 sheets. They're a little bit smaller than the 12 by 12 sheets I get, but this works great for adult t-shirts even. You've got plenty of vinyl for most of your projects. The package comes with 5 different colors. So there's white to green to green, yellow to green, hot pink to kind of an orangey pink, and then white to blue. I've already done a project with the pink to test it out. I'm gonna use the white to blue to create a project using my Cricut Joy. This should work with other die cutting machines as well. So let's swap over to the craft table view and I will show you what this is like to work with. Because I'm cutting this on my Cricut Joy, I do need to cut it down so that it will fit on the mat. So I'm cutting it at 4.5 inches just so I've got that little bit of buffer room. This is similar to working with other heat transfer vinyl. One side is more matte than the other. You can kind of see as I play with the light. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my mat. Because this is heat transfer vinyl, you do need to either mirror your design or flip it horizontally. So I'm going to flip mine horizontally and then I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. I'm cutting it on my mat and click Confirm. And it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Select my Joy. When I cut this on my Cricut Maker, I used the everyday iron-on setting, so that's what I'm going to use for this one. And we'll let it load the machine. We'll let that cut. All right, so I'm going to test it to make sure it did cut through properly. It looks great, so I'm going to go ahead and click Unload. I have that all weeded, and we are ready to get the heat press set up so we can get this pressed. It's important to look at both sides of this sheet because on the back it does let you know the instructions, including a range of temperature and time for pressing this. On my first project, I pressed it at 295 for 15 seconds. So I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I do need to change the time and temperature of my heat press. You want to check the pressure and preheat the item you're putting the design on. Once those steps are done, you can place your design wherever you want it. And here we go. So this is just falling off automatically. I didn't have to pull it or even touch it. When I lifted it, it came right off. And you can see the texture of the puff there. I set both bags in the sun for just a little bit, and you can see here how they glow in the dark. This is the pink glowing more orange, and then the white glowing blue. And they look much cooler in person than I'm able to capture on my camera. This works great for those that want to give some dimension and visual interest by glowing in the dark to your projects. It's remarkably easy to work with. It's not going to be a great fit for you if you want a ton of one of these specific colors. Because it's one sheet per, if you wanted to do 10 shirts with this white to blue, you would have to order 10 packages. But overall, I love these. I'm so excited to give both of these as gifts. The regular price on Amazon is $12.99. But for those of you that are watching my video, you can take a look in the description, and there is a coupon code that I would suggest you copy and paste to save you 10%. If you choose to purchase this product or other products, I'd appreciate it if you use my affiliate links. It helps support me financially without costing you any extra. And I really appreciate it, but no pressure. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments of this video. I will do my best to answer them since this is a new product on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.